How to fix forgot iCloud password in your iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your iCloud forgotten password. So the fix is really simple. All you have to do is reset the password. So let's begin. First, head over to your settings and then you can tap on your Apple ID on the top. After you tap on it, you can see your iCloud. Tap on iCloud and there you can see all of your options. So you can see how much storage you have left and everything. So to reset your password, what you can do is you will need to reset your password for your Apple ID itself. To do that, you can always head over to sign in and security. So after you tap on it, you can see the change password option. Tap on change password, type in your iPhone's passcode, and after you do that, simply type in your new password. After you type in your new password, you can tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, you'll have changed your password. And with that, you can now use your new password for your iCloud. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button as well, and stay tuned for more.